To have a nice, healthy yard, you have to make sure your yard gets plenty of water. And many homeowners are a little frustrated with this type of system because you're constantly trying to find the right spot in the yard to get adequate coverage.
And of course, you got to do that every time you come out to water. The other thing you could probably think about doing is going with a comprehensive irrigation system. But, you know, they're very expensive. You can spend thousands of dollars on something like that. And then, in addition, while they're installing it, they often really tear up the yard.
But we have a compromise that actually combines the advantages of this as well as an underground system. And it actually looks a little bit like an underground system in that the casing that I have here, you bury it in the ground, level with the ground, you can mow right over it. But when you're ready to do a little watering, you take this, flip it around, hook it into place, you hook your hose to it, you can adjust your settings on top, and you can get the perfect coverage that you're looking for in watering your yard.
Now, I mean, you still are going to have to drag some hoses around, but they give you one of these quick connects, which make it just that much easier. You pop it into place, and then you can invest in as many of these as you want and put them throughout the yard so that you create different zones. And you are going to save a ton of money with something like this.